What is an abstract class? An abstract class is a special kind of class that cannot be instantiated. That means an object of an abstract class can never be created. So question comes to our mind, why do we need an abstract class? Why do we need a class which cannot be instantiated at all? The reasons to it are, abstract class allows other classes to inherit from it. This enforces certain hierarchies for all the subclasses. We'll have a look at an example in the next slide to understand this statement. It's very important. I'll again read it for you. Abstract class allows other classes to inherit from it. This enforces certain hierarchies for all the subclasses. In simple words, an abstract class is a conceptual class that doesn't exist in the real world but acts as a base from which other class inherits properties and behavior. Let's look at an example. We have declared an abstract class shape. You can declare a class as abstract by writing the abstract keyword in front of the class. Just by writing a keyword abstract, does a class become abstract? No. A class becomes abstract when it has at least one abstract method. So what is an abstract method? Here we have an abstract method called as sites. Abstract means the method should not have any implementation. It's just a declaration. So here we have declared a method called as sites, but we have not given any implementation over here. So this becomes an abstract method. Since the class shape is having one abstract method, the class shape becomes an abstract class. So can I write an abstract keyword to a class without having any abstract methods? Yes, you can do that, but then you're just trying to fool someone. So it's allowed to do it, but we should avoid declaring a class as abstract which doesn't have any abstract method. Now, what is the benefit of declaring this class as an abstract class? As we saw in the previous slide, the abstract class allows other classes to inherit from it. This enforces certain hierarchies for all the subclasses. So here we have three subclasses: line, triangle, and square. Since these subclasses are inheriting the class shape, they are following some hierarchy. They are following some guideline. Class shape has one abstract method called as sites. So it's mandatory that all the three classes, derived classes, line, triangle, and square, should have the implementation for the abstract method sites. So here we have public void sites, console.write one side. Public void sites, console.write three sides. Public void sites, console.write four sides. Here we have given implementation of the method sites. What happens if we don't give the implementation of the method sites in the derived class? If you don't give the implementation of the method sites in the derived class also becomes an abstract class. So let's have a look. On the right hand side we have a class side where we have defined our main function, and now we are creating three objects: line L equal to new line, triangle T equal to new triangle, square S equal to new square. And we are calling the sides method of the respective object: L.sides, T.sides, and S.sides. So as we saw, some key concepts of the abstract class are: 1. Abstract is a keyword to declare the abstract classes. The syntax is abstract class A. In abstract class, declaration is provided but not implementation. If one or more methods declared as abstract, then the class should classify as abstract. You cannot instantiate the abstract class. That means you cannot create an object of an abstract class. If a class which is inheriting the abstract class, then it should override all the methods, abstract methods of the base class and derived class. If the inherited class is not overriding that abstract methods, then that class should also be classified as an abstract class. Thank you.